Watch this. In a network that has maximum TPDU size. So they are talking about TPDU. What is TPDU is transport layer protocol data unit, which is nothing but segment size. So TPDU is nothing but the segment. So segment size is 128 bytes. So they are saying that MSS is 128 bytes and the maximum TPDU lifetime. So which is nothing but the lifetime which we discussed in that TCP sequence numbers. Lifetime is given as 30 seconds. It means that if you send a byte now, that byte is going to be alive for at least 30 seconds. That is what the meaning of it. And 8-bit sequence number, which means our sequence number, we have only 8 bits of sequence numbers. Then what is the maximum data rate possible? So in order to solve this question, you don't really need the maximum MSS size. What you need is what is the lifetime, which is 30 seconds is given, and what is the sequence number field. How to solve it is, since we have 8-bit sequence number field, how many bytes can be uniquely numbered here? 2 power 8 bytes. And after numbering all these 2 power 8 bytes, there will be wraparound. But then we should see that there is no wraparound for 30 seconds. Therefore, within 30 seconds, you should only send 2 power 8 bytes, not more than that. If you send even more than this within 30 seconds, what happens is there is going to be wraparound, because of which when the first byte with some sequence number is already alive, you are going to send the next byte with the same number. Therefore, within this 30 seconds, what is this 30 seconds? Whenever you send a byte with first sequence number, it is going to be alive for 30 seconds. Therefore, within this 30 seconds, you are not supposed to use the same sequence number. For example, if you have sent the sequence number with this, the first byte, then within 30 seconds, you should not again use the same one, because the first packet which has taken the sequence number is still alive. Therefore, see that you are not going to use the same sequence number for at least one lifetime, the time for which it is alive. So, which is nothing but 30 seconds. So, in 30 seconds, you can send only 2 power 8 bytes. Then what is the data rate? Data rate is nothing but 2 power 8 bytes divided by 30 seconds, which is nothing but 2 power 8 by 30 bytes per second. This is the data rate, maximum data rate possible. If you go beyond this, you might need more sequence numbers, but since it is already given that sequence number is 8, we are not going to increase it. In case if they have said that we want to increase it, or if they have given some bandwidth and then they told that we could even increase the sequence number, then that question would have been different. But here what they are saying is sequence numbers is fixed 8 bits. Now lifetime is fixed 30 seconds. Now you say what is the maximum rate at which you could send. This is the maximum rate at which we could send, not beyond that. Okay.